Opening up my acceptances to different master's programs was just a dream. Undergrad already felt like a dream that was unsurpassable. But now this moment, going to higher education and hopefully one day getting my PhD is just another stepping stone that I think, thanks to Trinity, that I'm really ready for. My undergraduate research opportunities at Trinity have fundamentally prepared me for grad school. I think those are the things that actually made me a really competitive applicant, and one of the main reasons that I was able to get into such a competitive field and program. Having 2 years of research and having collaborated with professors and professionals in the field of forensic anthropology have really opened my eye into what it means to pursue higher education and to work collaboratively with a team. I feel way better going into grad school, way more prepared. And it's something that typically undergrad students don't get to do at other universities.